Hello and welcome to this short video where we'll show you how to move an asset using our in-transit features in the online asset management solution Hector. What you see right now, I've just connected into my Hector environment and you'll see that I already have an asset that's currently in transit. We're going to look at how you, using Hector, can transfer or move assets between locations using the in-transit functionality. So first thing we're going to do is head on over to the inventory list and find an asset that we can transfer from point A to point B. So I'll grab any of the assets that are in inventory at the moment. So I can come in and grab, for example, this laptop and then click on Move Asset. I could also go to the view screen for this specific asset and then use the actions to move the asset. I'll choose a destination for my asset. So for example, I'll be moving this computer to a specific user. It can be any user within your environment. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. It's the in-transit checkbox. Once I click on this checkbox, I can then set up a transit owner, somebody who's responsible for moving this asset from point A to point B. I can choose a delivery date, and since this asset is being assigned to a user, I could even choose a date where I plan for this asset to come back into inventory. For the moment, I'll leave it blank. I could change its condition, enter some notes, and I could even consume this asset once it's been delivered. When I'm ready, I can come in and click Save. What this is going to do is is going to put this asset in transit and we know where it's supposed to go. If I click on the in-transit link, it's going to bring me to a specific section within the asset list where I see all my in-transit assets. So I know which one needs to be delivered and who's the owner of the specific delivery. If I look at the action menu, I can see that I can either deliver the asset that is currently in transit, or I could cancel the transit delivery, which will return the asset to its original location. Finally, as we saw on the home page, I also have a display that shows me right when I connect into Hector which are the transit assets that are currently assigned to me. This very same list is also available on our mobile application. When the user will connect, they will see these same two assets that need to be delivered. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the like button if you did. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel. And thanks again for watching, and see you guys soon.